What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. This is absolutely huge news for XRP. It is confirmed that XRP will be the world currency. I'm like 99% sure. I was going to say 100, but 99% sure. You always have to leave that little bit of, maybe of an insecurity or something, right? You have to leave the 1% there because you never know what could happen. Anything could possibly happen. Just because someone says something doesn't mean that it's 100% true, right? So 99% sure that that is going to be the case eventually. With how Ripple is establishing themselves within our banking world, within our banking needs, and to have XRP in the background, we know that XRP is going to be that world currency. I believe it, right? I've believed it from the beginning because I understood how fast it was. I understood the market that they're disrupting. I understood the different places that they're going, and I'm pretty sure that we're on the same page here. Now, they don't know who I am, maybe. They don't know who I am, but I know who they are and what they are doing, and I study a lot of this stuff and exactly the movement that they are going to make. Now, it also depends on the partners that they are partnering with, right? And what they decide to do with it. And we don't really have that true clarity besides maybe one huge one that we got news from recently. So I want to talk about XRP and why it's ready to break out. It's ready to absolutely explode. And it's ready to be heavily used by the entire world. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my Margex link. If you guys want to start trading XRP, it honestly is a very, very good platform. I absolutely love the platform. I would show you it right now, but I would have to log into the platform. So I would have to log into the platform. So it's a fantastic platform, though. You can trade XRP up to a 50x leverage if you want to. You can also trade as little as a 5x leverage. You can trade with as little as $1 and do a 100x leverage or a 50x leverage and trade $50 off of a $1 investment. The point is that if you know what you are doing, if you know how to trade effectively, you can make a hell of a lot of money on XRP and gather more XRP throughout time in what you want to hold. So if you want to go from 1,000 XRP to holding 20,000 XRP, this may be the route. You're using other people's money in order to give yourself more money, right? That's what the wealthy do, is they use other people's money to make them money, but they have a foolproof plan to do that. So definitely check out my link for Margex down below. It's very, very interesting, a very, very great platform. But let's start here with XRP and the price action, because the price action for XRP has been declining, right? We're seeing a 3% decrease in the price over the last 24 hours. And it's not just XRP that's seeing this, it's the entire market. We saw a decent size increase in all the way up to about a $2 trillion market cap overall. Bitcoin up to the $53,000 mark, didn't break that barrier, but has since come back down. You're seeing, Ethereum that has done the same, BNB, all of these different plays that have decreased in the price from where they were. And XRP is no exception. It has dropped down by 3%, down to a 55-cent price. It still is higher than where it was, as it was at kind of these low areas for this high area, if that makes sense. It's still sitting around 55 cents high or higher than the 50-cent level or 49-cent level, which is great, but we want to see a full breakout. And a full breakout comes when we have clarity within the SEC versus Ripple. But right now, we don't really have that true clarity. The only clarity that we have is that the chairman and the CEO are rid of those charges. And then we have XRP being labeled as not a security as of right now, which is definitely huge and pumped XRP to a whole nother level until they decided to, push a thought of an appeal, and it brought XRP back down. And then even a thought of not seeing any type of settlement. We saw the settlement potential around, I think it was November or so. And then they kind of threw that out the window. And that's where things really started to dive from there, or at least stay flat. Now, people have been claiming for a long time, and in more of a negative light, that XRP may be a stable coin and might not move and just looks flat, and we're not going to see any type of growth and all of that there, right? Nobody's going to use it, and that's why they think that it's just a standard stable coin and acts like a stable coin. Well, in more of a positive light, the World Bank has come out and classified XRP as a stablecoin. Now, why is this a positive light? It's a stablecoin for cross-border payments. And this means that it potentially could be heavily used by banks, and be that kind of cross bridge, be that kind of middle ground for CBDCs, right? If you see the connection and the CBDCs that are made with, different banking institutions, right? And they have their own CBDC there. Various ones may not communicate with another, right? And they might communicate in a good way, but it's still like having your own currency, having the US dollar and trading it to another currency. It's still like that, right? When you know you have XRP in your back pocket that is easily transferable, easily communicative over this network, over this payment system, this payment option. So obviously this is a big deal, because if the World Bank classifies it as a stablecoin, they're basically saying that this will be heavily used by the world. And we will see that response, we will see that connection with banks, which makes it a huge deal. Now, I don't want to go through this whole entire thing because I feel like I'll leave the link down below for the article itself, but that's basically what it's telling you, is that it could be used by the entire world. It will be the world currency, not necessarily putting it in a light where it's like, this doesn't move, this is a stable coin, putting it in a stable coin light as in being heavily used by everybody and consistently used by everybody. And as we see that, just because it acts as a stable coin doesn't mean the price is going to move like a stable coin. It's going to be a lot more aggressive, a lot bigger of a push. And I'm at least going to be very, very excited exactly where XRP is going to go. So I definitely implore you to check out at least this breakdown or everybody else's take on this, because a lot of people are talking about it, but it's happened, right? This is confirmed. World currency is going to be a thing, right? If one of the partners, one of the people, one of the institutions that's there is saying, look, this is classified as stablecoin, as cross-border payments, this is going to be the world currency, guess what? It's going to be that in what they said. So I'm excited for where XRP will go. I'm excited for the prices it will hit. I'm excited for the use that it will have. And I know that the use is endless. I mean, I have 21,000 XRP in my wallet. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to check out Margex, feel free to use my link down below. It does help out the channel. They are an official partner with the channel, so feel free to be a part of it. I use it all the time. I've showed my trades, and they're all in the positive right now. If XRP keeps climbing or keeps falling down, I might be a little bit in the negative there on one play. But all the other plays, I have like 6 other plays, and they are all positive and aggressively positive, like 100 or 200%. So definitely check out Margex. The link is in the description. Guys, I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.